the struggle. You are my remedy. From the cradle to the stars, you guide me steps with your warm embrace. Me never feel vexed. You teach me love, you teach me respect. In the rough times, you are the perfect architect. You cook the food, you season it right. Every morsel I love me, I savor at night. Jaja bless your soul, you are shine like a star. I feel big up, mama, you know who you are. Mama, mama, you love so deep. Through the hardships, you make us lead. With your prayers, you show the way. I feel big up, mama, every single day. Them say love and care no can compare. When you hold me tight, me feel the air. Your soft-spoken words, them bring me peace. In the chaos, your love never cease. You kneel down by the bed, pray to Jah above, asking for guidance, spreading that love. When the world get cold, you warm up the vibe in every little thing. Mama, you thrive. Your fierce light up the darkest of nights. In your arms, me find all my rights. Mama, mama, your love so pure. Through every battle, you always sure. With your wisdom, you show the way. I feel big up, mama, every single day. From the early morn to the setting sun, you hustle and grind, you know you're not done. With your heart of gold, you are warrior true. Every step me take, me I carry you too. In the hard times, you never complain. You teach me resilience, you teach me fear rain. Every tear you shed, a strength you create. In